Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert SeaMonkey to HTML. Search on Google to cover SeaMonkey converter. Click on download. Install now. Click on Select Folders option to load folders containing SeaMonkey file. Select SeaMonkey Files folder. Check the folder. Click on HTML. Select Destination folder. File naming option. Trial version converts limited 25 items. Buy license to get the unlimited access. Buy activate the software here. Open destination folder for output. Converted HTML files.